DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV.
That shall never end. The Nigeria Army is out with another headline. Yes. They went to kill people in Oladipo market in Lagos, where they used to sell spare parts. They have been threatening them. Not today. Oh. If any army personnel come there to buy something, if the thing doesn't work, he will bring it and threaten them. Even though he bought the thing for many years, like 2 years or 5 months, he will still bring it again and return it and threaten them. They have been threatening them. Not until on Tuesday, where they went there, they brought their men, they stopped the market and killed 3 people. Just like that. It's finished. Just like that. Human beings have no value in Nigeria. Buhari government, the APC government have no value for Nigerians. Have no value for human beings. Who gave the Nigerian army rights? If you transact a business with someone and it doesn't go well, they have leadership. They have president. They have chairman. You can go there to report and lay your complaint. Then they will solve it out for you. No, they cannot lay complaint. The Fulani army, they cannot lay complaint. They are fond of violence. They are fond of violence. You want to kill because you bought something that doesn't work or that was working later, it got spread. You want to kill. You are very free. Trigger free because you can shoot, because they have given you the license to carry arms, but you cannot fight insurgency. You cannot kill bandits in your state. You cannot kill terrorists in your state, but you are very quick to come to the west to kill. I'm just saying this for those of you who are very happy, and say because they arrested Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have been inciting a nuisance in the society. Those of you who are very happy, this is how they will come for you. Yes, they are in the east, now they have come to the west, and they are ready. Who give the Nigerian army rights to go to market, the Oladipo market that is very large in terms of spare parts? Who gave them the right to go there to kill? According to the lawyer, he said, he made a statement. He said, not today that the Nigerian army have been doing this thing. He said one of them came to buy something. He came there to buy something. Fine. He said he bought the thing, I think it's about 7 months ago. And he came, he said that it's not working. So they told him to wait. Later, he went to see the task force. After getting to see the task force, they told him to wait. Please, as a side patient, we are going to sort your issues. Because one of the guys there told him to excuse them, then he picked offense. Fulani army. He picked offense. Immediately left there and went to go and bring his men. They came, they were shooting indiscriminately. At the end of the day, they end up killing 3 people, just like that. You just kill them just like that, and they were very happy. They were even begging them, telling them, please, it's okay, calm down. One of the army said, if you beg me, I will fire you. Who gave them the rights? This is what we are saying. You remember when the one general told Nigerians that after laying your hands as an ex-Boko Haram, that you can engage with the people in the society. You have every chance. You may stand a chance of being the local government chairman. You may stand a chance of being a governor. How can a terrorist be a governor? How can a terrorist be a local government chairman? And how can a terrorist be a senator? Is this not wonderful? Buhari government is full of full of different tragedy. Different one. Every day, different story. Different story. Now, I want to call on Sanwo-Olu. This is not a matter of joke. This is not a matter that you will watch on the TV or you will read on paper and feel and pretend if as if nothing happened. This is a matter of life and death. They have taken the life of 3 people. This is the time to swing into action. Because when you people had the meeting, you said the word that the Nigerian army will not, they will not give the Nigerian army right to come and invade in your state. That they must take a license from you before invading anybody's home. Now, they have done another one. We are calling on Sanwo-Olu. They must fish out those Fulani soldiers, those Fulani army who have committed this havoc. They must fish them out and bring them to book. They must be brought to book. They must be brought to book. Because nobody give the Nigerian army right to go and kill people for no reason. Who give you the right? Sometimes, and this thing is just normal. It's normal. We have experienced it a lot. Whereby a Nigerian army personnel, maybe his girlfriend bought something that is not good, you will just see the way they will come with full speed. If as if they are going to Sambisa forest. If as if they are going to fight terrorists. That is how they normally do it. So this must stop. That is why the agitation must go on. That is why people will continue to cry for cessation. Because they are fed up with this Fulani government that has come to terrorize innocent Nigerians for no reason. It must stop. We must continue. Thanks, everybody.
Yeah.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.